Welcome to my class. Dear student, how are you? I am fine. Dear student, at first I introduce myself to you. My name is Mohindra Burman, assistant teacher in English, Mirzapur High School. Dear student, I am going to discuss about an important class on online. Important class on online. Look at me and look at the board. I draw some picture about thinking. Dear student, what can you see in the picture? And who are they? Okay, a man and a woman. What are they doing? Okay, they are quarreling. They are quarreling. Who are they? Who are they? Shamima and her husband Kamaluddin Jordar. Okay, student. So today's our lesson. You are beautiful Shamima. Now, dear student, open your book and open page at 48. I read out the passage. You read silently and about the passage. Find out hard word, difficult word. Okay, dear student. Shamima Misari start the day she was married. Her husband was a great person and he used to abuse her verbally and physically. Within a few months into her marriage, she had to leave her husband Kamaluddin Jordar. Now Shamima goes to work with women who are ill-fated like her. She has 43 female members in her organization working for her. She herself trains the members and then provide them with work. She designs fabrics, makes block print, brush print and hand embroidered sarees. She also makes 3 pieces dress for women and photos for men. She sells them product in her shop and supplies them outside. Shamima has a dream now, a dream to do something for the helpless people. She wants them to feel useful. They can live with self-respect and dignity. With this in view, she goes out looking for such people. Shamima finished her story with a smile. Shamima has no complaint, no regrets, no grudge. Her husband could destroy her outward beauty, but not the beauty of her mind. All she wants to do is to bring a smile on the face of those women who are unfortunate. Shamima wants to become a famous designer. Dear student, okay, you have find out your hard word, difficult word. Tell me about your work. Okay, unfortunate. Dear student, unfortunate means unlucky. Unlucky. Dear student, first word with a make sentence. First word with a make sentence. Shamima helps them who are unfortunate. Dear student, next word, hard word, difficult word. Yes, outward. Outward. It means, outward it means outside. Okay. Outside. Dear student, with make a sentence, first word. With make a sentence with first word. So Shamima's husband destroy Shamima's husband destroy her beauty, but not beauty of her mind. Okay, dear student, we can find out hard word and difficult word. Now, dear student, look at the board. There are some words. Follow the words. Abuse, verbally. Abuse, verbally, ill-fated. Bhav, ill-fated, bhav, disavoid. Orally, incapable, bad luck, promise, misuse. Dear student, column A with column B. Match the word. Abuse. Abuse means misuse. Abuse means misuse. Okay, dear student. Verbally means orally. Verbally means orally. Ill-fated means bad luck. Ill-fated means bad luck. Bhav means promise. Bhav means promise. Next word, disable. Disable means incapable. Okay, student, we can fill the A column and B column. Dear student, now dear student, today finish. Take care of your health and stay home. Bye.